Hello, YouTube fans. I'm gonna do a little introduction of the parakeet. Wow. Parakeet. And
the bull.
we cannot forget about the bull. Just go ahead, switch it up.
The big bull.
Ah!
He was very big and very
But
strong.
yeah, the parrot's gonna be all the way up in this tree dome with his other parakeet friends, while the bull is just sitting on the ground asleep, and we got talking all of it. But possibly
He woke up.
Drop it.
Parakeet, why do you have chocolate?
There's the chocolate. Oh.
Well, before I went to sleep, I saw you with chocolate.
Ah, that wasn't chocolate.
Parakeet,
Don't mess with me, please. I'm just a baby parrot.
I shall battle you for your chocolate. Now let's fight.
What's fighting?
The bull has won chocolate because the parakeet has been just a baby. Alright, parakeet. I shall lift you back up to your tree.
Thank you, Mr. Bull.
And have a piece of the chocolate.
Hey, Mr. Bull. Mr. Bull.
Yes, sir?
Hold on one sec. I'm a lamb.
Okay.
Hold on one sec. Let me go get you something.
By the time they got back, the bull was missing.
Bull?
Help! Help! They've captured me.
Bull?
The horses have captured me into their wild running.
Oh, God. I have no one to help me out now. Squawk.
Help! Help!
Where are you at?
Parrot!
Mr.
Parrot!
Bull.
Help! Help!
Mr. Bull, please, help.
Help! The horses
Mr.
have
Bull.
been taking me. Help! They're
Stay still.
stealing me in their flock.
Stop moving.
I can't! They're
Still,
stealing.
Mr. Bull. Little horsey, cheep. Ooh. Take a
Okay.
Mr. Bull, one. Let's play, please. Right now, Mr. Bull.
Thank you for
Here
saving
you go.
my life.
Here's a lifetime supply of chocolate.
You can keep it. You deserve it for saving my life.
Oh, thank you. I'm sorry if I did this, but bye. Hey, Mr. Bull. You want to come up to the tree down and help have a little cookout with us tonight?
Are you forgetting something? I'm a bull.
Oh,
Not a flying animal.
Oh, we're not having it in a tree. We're having it down here. You want to come down? No.
No, thank you.
Mommy, Mr. Bull said no.
And that is the end of our program.
Scene 1. Scene number 2. Parakeet and the bull made good friends, and the bull never left the boy aside, and the boy never left him aside.
Little parakeet. Little parakeet.
What? Yes.
I'm thinking about you saving my life and you offering me chocolate. We shall be best friends.
Best friend?
We shall travel the same journey. And you shall stay in my horns. For
Mom,
a
I'm moving
gingerbread
out.
shall live.
Here you go, chocolate.
By the way, my name is Bob.
Bob, help! Help!
End of program officially.
Scene 2.
No, the entire program.
Scene 3, scary story. Ay, Montoya!
Game is great.
Shiba, lions and tigers.
Where's your iPad?
Oh my.
Here, you can take the other part off. Whatever it is.
Lions and tigers and bears, oh my, lions and... Once upon a time, there's a big giant bear gonna eat my face off and your face off.